If you have invested in HiveMapper at early stages, you could have made a significant amount of money, possibly thousands and thousands of dollars. Now we have the opportunity to get in something real early with NATIX Network. NATIX application will turn your phone into a dashcam where you will be rewarded in cryptocurrencies. With this NATIX application, you will earn crypto while you drive. And just for signing up today, you're going to earn 10,000 NATIX points. Now you will need the invite code to get this 10,000 points. So I'll leave the link down in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comments below so you can use that invite code and get the 10,000 points for absolutely free. Now let's get started with the video. What is NATIX and how does it work? I like to say drive and earn, but it's actually drive, detect, earn, and improve your city. Wherever you go, NATIX Drive allows you to earn with every drive, anywhere and at any time. How does it work? Well, simply by downloading the app from your Google Play or App Store, you'll be on your way earning NATIX points. Just keep in mind that you will need the invite code when you download your app in order to get those 10,000 points. So I will leave the invite code on the screen right now. Now that you got your app downloaded, simply place the phone on the dashboard and keep the app in the active mode while driving. Simple as that, guys. I'm going to bring up HiveMapper again because HiveMapper actually requires you to have a physical device which costs $300 in order to map the streets and earn cryptocurrency. But with NATIX, you only need your phone. You're utilizing your phone in order to earn this crypto. So you do not need any purchases of product in order to earn. Your phone is your dash cam and your phone is the way to earn. I'm not saying this to downgrade HiveMapper by any means. I'm just saying that this will be a great product for somebody that does not have the $300 to invest in a product in order to start earning passive income. Earn points while driving and redeem them for products, services, and soon our native token, NTXT. I did say that they are in early stages and that their native token is coming, and it is coming very fast, guys. This is actually time sensitive. Their token launch is actually going to happen at the end of this month, at the end of January. It is worth mentioning these three facts right here: no video recorded, minimal data usage, and smart fraud detection. The AI converts the raw numeric data. No images, video, or personal identifying information ever leaves your phone. This is very important to know. The app consumes a minimal amount of data, protecting data plans and keeping costs down. Advanced fraud detection prevents dishonest activity and ensures safe and secure transactions. There are three ways to start earning. Number one is while driving. You can earn points for each kilometer driven when the app is in active mode and detects the road. 2. While detecting, gain additional points for each event your phone detects on the road. And obviously, the third way is by referring friends and family members. So if you're wondering, what does your camera actually detect? It can detect the road obstacles such as fallen trees. It can detect the road surface damages such as potholes on the street, traffic congestions when you're driving because it picks up the cars that are next to you and the traffic that you're in, even free parking spots. NATIX is not just an earning app, it's way more than that. It's powerful, sophisticated, and efficient. If we scroll down here and look at the features that they have or that they're going to have very soon, they're very important. So look at here, dashcam, where it's going to be recording, a navigation system where you'll be able to use a navigation. This is all in one app, and even a speed and a radar coming very soon. And the app is actually going to be useful for us as well. Think about it, dashcam, navigation, speed, and radar all in one app. These are the actual three phases that NATIX will be going through in order to launch their token: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Well, if we scroll down here to phase 0, we can see that starting on January 27th until February 1st, we'll be able to convert our points into the NATIX tokens that are going to be released. So we're going to have a 5 days time frame before the phase 1 launch and the risk of losing the points that we actually earned. So 5 day grace period to do the conversion. Now, if you're wondering what are the requirements in order for the conversion to happen on the 27th of January, well, there it is. There are only two requirements to convert the earned points into the NATIX tokens. You have to have a minimum amount of 50,000 points, and you need to have driven at least 40 kilometers in the past 3 months, which is not a lot. 40 kilometers is like 30 miles, guys. And 50,000 points, you can collect that actually in less than a week. And if you use the code down below, you're going to get 10,000 points right away. I've been using the NATIX app for the past month and a half, and I have actually accumulated 745,000 points actually. And those points I will be converting into tokens. We can do some missions in the app while we're driving, and we can actually redeem those points into actual products. So as we can see here, you can redeem your points into electronics, discounts, or even demo products, which I have done. Amazon gift cards, also you can redeem points for Amazon gift cards. Under history, we can see I redeemed 20,000 points, more AutoPie. So yes, you can redeem some points in order to get a demo AutoPie. I believe it gave me 15% off of a demo AutoPie. And this is going to be my second AutoPie device that I'm going to have and earn passive income on. So guys, there is no promise that these coins or these tokens are going to be worth any money, but it is worth a try since this is absolutely free to do. In my opinion, DePIN layers and DePIN projects are going to play a significant role in the upcoming years. So why not use this free opportunity, gain as many coins as we can, convert them into tokens, and see what comes out of it. It can be a nothing burger, or it can actually turn into a Hive mapper or demo. As you all know, I've been using demo since June of last year, and I started demo when demo was only 8 cents, and demo is over 55 cents right now. So take this opportunity, it's free, use your device, collect some tokens, qualify for this free token airdrop, and see where it goes. That is all that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this information helpful. So please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the content.